to do this. Like that.
Oh.
Can you do this, Daddy? Can I?
Yeah.
Look.
Pretty.
And another one right here. Whoa. Right here.
Okay, no more stamps. Let's close it up and
No,
put it away.
more.
Alright, one more.
There.
Okay.
2 more. And 3 more.
Okay, that's enough stamps. Nora, close the stamps now, please.
Whoa. I got all of the stamps.
Let me see them all. Stop stamping. Close it right now.
Okay.
Let me see all your stamps now.
There's one.
Let me see your arm.
And here.
Where else?
Like one more and that's it.
No more. Nora, stop it. I'm going to take it away from you if you don't stop.